Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do this beautiful milk tea highlights. I'm working with hair that has permanent color on it, but that's fine because the color we are trying to achieve will go well together. For the back, I'm doing brick lace sections to get the most coverage. I'm doing a medium weave and teasing each section. I make sure to saturate each highlight, then feather up the bleach for a soft and even lift. I started with 15 volume on the back of the hairline because it's one of the most fragile area. Then I increased to 20 volume as I got to the top. As I get closer to finishing the top, I only tease slightly and do a baby light instead. Moving on to the front, she didn't want a money piece, so I did only one foil on each side of the hairline. I start on a diagonal, then I slowly go into a horizontal section. I always make sure to fully saturate the hair with bleach, then feather it up for a soft grow out. Remember that for the best results, the blend must also come from the way you highlight and apply the bleach. I repeat the same steps on the other side. Make sure when doing the last few foils at the top that it matches the other side's weave and also quantity. Now it's time for the root shadow. I'm doing Dia color 4N and 4.07 in equal parts with 9 volume. The raw lift was looking pretty good, but I always like doing a shadow root on my dark hair clients. It just makes the grow out so much better. I applied the color to about half an inch to an inch over the demarcation line. Then after I've applied everywhere, I comb it through. For the mids and ends, I'm using 7.31 and 9 volume, and I let it process for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. And we are all done. Look how gorgeous this transformation turned out. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below any